Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the French Hen ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the Christmas type pets, and if you want to get this pet, you need to have the Santa surprise present. You can get the Santa surprise present from the Christmas shop right here. Okay, and you will have 15% possibility or chance to get this French hen. Okay, you can also join the Christmas harvest event to get the Santa's surprise present, or you can use the player gift. You can give present to the other players and you will have chance to get the Santa's surprise present. Okay, and now it's time to place this French hen on my garden. And let's see the ability of this pet. Okay, this is one of the uncommon pets, guys. And basically, it can increase the plant size. Okay, and yeah, I think it's worth to keep it in your garden guys, but it only works for the Christmas type plants, not for all plants. Okay guys, and that's all about the French hen ability in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.